Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you have enjoyed my previous videos. Thank you for all the likes and positive comments. Those really motivates me to keep posting. So thank you once again. Without further ado, let's see what book is lined up for today. Brand Genius by Damrong Pinkun. Damrong Pinkun is a Thai author writing in this book 15 different world-renowned brands in 15 different chapters. So each chapter being its own brand talks about a unique and important fact necessary in building a global brand, a franchise. So building a global brand, globally recognized brand or a franchise is not an easy task to do. It's very rare and uncommon for a product to become recognized globally, right? There are reasons why only very few succeed while many fail. In this book, you will clearly understand why and how each and every brand discussed made it through, and reasons and strategies leaders had to take in order to make their brand a success globally. So the brands discussed in this book are Pocky, Kumon, Disney, Uniqlo, Coca-Cola, IKEA, H&M, Muji, Levi's, Starbucks, KFC, Mini, Vespa, McDonald's and Johnson & Johnson. We don't see a single advertisement, yet we know them all. Why do you think that is? Well, you'll be amazed. It is so amazing to me that how a product can be so personal to majority, right? How do we get attached to them without even realizing? Well, the answer is in this book. I hope this will be helpful to someone out there, maybe even to start their own franchising business. Well, someone might laugh, my own personal global brand? Well, that's impossible. Well, people like you and I made these, so why can't you, right? Of course, it's difficult, otherwise everyone would be doing it, but that doesn't mean it's not possible, right? So finally, I want all of you to know that this book is not going to be beneficial for someone only interested in building a global brand. No, that's definitely not the case. The brand does not have to be global. There are definitely valuable insight you can read, learn, and use in branding and marketing any product, local or otherwise. Even a small business person can benefit immensely for sure. So I hope you have learned something valuable. I hope you will read and learn how to make your product the best product in the market. I hope you will learn how to create that special connection between your product and the consumer. I hope you will read this book. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Until then, read, change, read with Vimukti.